If you're a graphic designer and you're looking for a way to make your picture pop on your frame, then watch this video to the very end. First of all, draw a rectangle that is equal to the size of the frame you want. Okay. Add border lines to it, outline to it. Give the outline a color. So next is to import your image, your picture, resize it. Make sure it covers the frame that you created. Make sure it covers the frame well, okay? And then after that, right click on the layer of your image, of your picture. Right click on the layer and then duplicate, that's Ctrl J. Then rasterize the upper one and then use your eraser tool to trim out the excess area that you do not want. If you liked the video, remember to subscribe for more.